Good evening, boys and girls. Just a quick update with part 4. If you look and pay attention on your battery, there are 2 screws that are a different length and a different thickness than the other screws in the battery tray here. And here's the both screws together. One's 1.2 to 4, which is the tall, thin one, and then the other one is the 1.6 to 3. So most of them, and you'll actually see in here, 1.6 to 3 is one of the tall skinny ones. Obviously that was the battery connector screw there, but if I can get in the light here, 1.6 to 3 as I work my way around, 1.6 to 3. So it actually tells you what size screw is going in which holes. But the 2 longer ones, the 1.2 to 4s, are going to be up here and up in here. And I think they're holding down the keyboard too, which is why they go through the battery, through the motherboard, into the keyboard. So without any exploration of further disassembly. So just be wary of that. So don't try and start wedging screws in where you think they're going to go, because there's a couple of them that are a different size. Okay? Over and out for now, folks. Okay, folks, when you're assembling this, stand your laptop up like this and hook the top piece in first, and then it'll clip. So work your way along, clipping it in, and then slowly rotate it around to the front of the laptop where the touchpad is, okay? So hook it in the top first and swing it around, almost like a hinge, and work yourself along this edge, and you'll hear it clip into place. Remember those little indexes I talked about? They'll clip into place, and then you can work the shell down towards the front end, and then we can get some screws in this and assemble it, okay? But start at this end, standing up like a triangle, let the top clip on first, and then rotate it in. And then you'll see what I mean if you do this yourself, and then you'll hear it click into place. So there's some little plastic tabs in there, don't break those. And those little sprung index pins, so don't break those either. So if you do it this method, it'll come off easy and you'll be able to put it back on easy, okay? All right, folks, good luck.